The more you stay on your body, the more you become older, and the more you know a lot of things about izinto zala emhlabeni, uyabo, than in ingane. But the more you reincarnate kulo mhlaba, the more you know so many things about izinto ze universe, and the more you become spiritually wiser. Ake yathi ingane yami ngelinye ilanga endala yathi ya umuntu oyingane vele uyena omdala. Ngathi mina hey ukushiswa yini lokho, wayichaza ke ngelogic yakhe naye ayi understand ngayo. Ngathi hayi uyingane nje kwasha kwacisha ya. I strongly believe wangayibuka ngalendlela le engizokuchazela ngayo ukuthi ingane indala spiritual kunomuntu omdala. Buka ke angithi ingane iyafika la kulomhlaba iphethe an updated version of consciousness, right? And an updated version of everything, where now you have an old version, right? So surely isike yaba khona la, but uma ke ngalesi sikhathi ubingelelo changes akasho ukuthi kungenzeka noma yini noma inini noma kanjani kunoma ubani, ngoba impilo ayisiyona lento ocabanga ukuthi iyona. Possibilities are infinite in the universe. Your own consciousness is your own limitation. Kukude lapho sisuka khona futhi kukude lapho siya khona. Beka phansi umoya ungatatazeli, uyabona. Yabo ingane njengoba niyibona lezi ingane lezi ezikhona manje, and iningi lenu lithi lezi ingane ngathi zake zaphila, yabo indlela ekwenzeka ngayo. So chances are yes zingama reincarnate, and ever since they are reincarnating like this, they have information updated now as it started from the spiritual domain, bringing that information la kwa earth. And the thing is, when umdala la physical, yes, umdala la physical, you know vele when ukuthi izinto sezaya kanjani la. That is why ukwazi ukuyiguide ukuthi ungayilapha umdala la. But spiritually they are updated, and ezinye zikhuluma izinto ongeke uze understand ukuthi ziyithathaphi, because vele they are powerful, baphethe an updated version of in universe, yabo, and they are old, so don't take them for granted. Yes, they might be young to understand the nitty-gritties of this world physically and the system, but you find them rebellious, never accept and don't accept things that doesn't make sense, because now they want to be spiritually liberated. They are here to liberate, but now we keep conditioning them, and surely they are going to change this world slowly but surely. So if you engage with them, don't engage with them like you are engaging with young ones. Just talk sense, you see, just speak sense to them, and don't think ukuthi they are just they have no information about the secrets and mysteries of the universe. Yabo, just engage with them like consciously, and listen to them when they speak. Listen to them and try to process what they say to you, and try to make sense. Don't just discard everything, because they are here to change this world. They are updated, you are outdated. Spiritually, maybe you are updated on the physical domain. You are updated to the point of you accept everything that is limiting you, but for them it's not the case. So I think you better understand that one, and don't be surprised because some of you, maybe they are still going to give birth to raves, and they'll be surprised why these children are like this. It's the way they are. You're still gonna see wonders. They're gonna change this world for the better. 2027, going forward, we will come Ama Raves.